What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Miami for another sneaker review. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG Black Toe. Another Jordan.
Another red, black, and white combo.
Exactly. So these, I have a pair of my own already. And I have this pair I just bought for a friend of mine, a good friend of mine. I'll be seeing him. Hopefully he doesn't see this video anytime soon. I won't mention his name, but I got it for his birthday. He's got a 50th coming up. And I just thought everyone needs to have a classic pair of Jordans. So this is the black toe, low top, super cool shoe. I just think it's iconic, classic, looks fantastic. I got this off StockX. It looks like the person, I don't know if they swapped it out. I thought these came with a black lace originally, so maybe the person who sold these on StockX did a lace swap.
Probably.
But anyway, they come with two different laces. They come with the red and they come with the black. I went with the red pair in my shoe, my personal shoe. I think it makes it pop a little bit more, but I think black looks pretty good.
Yeah.
So let's go through this sneaker. It just comes with a paper. You know, unfortunately, it only comes with a little paper sort of shoe tree. I don't know if I even want to call it a shoe tree. I think the quality, what I was impressed with on my version, is the quality of the leather is actually really nice. The toe box is pretty soft. The black is really pretty soft. And as you can see, we have the black the black swoosh. We have the black tongue with the red tag, and then obviously white around most of the shoe. And then on the back, we got the sort of OG iconic wing logo or Jordan wing logo. It's red. We have the red outsole.
Yeah.
And so it's just your classic Jordan shoe. These are sort of selling for about retail. They retail for $140. So from StockX, if you with all their fees, you're going to pay about the same.
Mhm.
And so what is I mean, as a guy, so I'll give the guy's perspective first, and then I'll look at the lady's perspective first, and then we're going to do a little comparison towards the end of this. So on the guy side, I just think this is a classic sort of colorway sneaker. Low tops are pretty easy to wear with maybe a little more versatile, I think, clothing wise. Although I prefer to wear high tops with my shorts for working out versus the low tops. That's me.
Sure.
And then I prefer low tops probably with jeans or clothes, depending.
Yep.
And but super versatile shoe that goes with so much. It's not too crazy, it's not too bold. I just think it's a solid sneaker. So what's your perspective if a guy is wearing these? You think he's got it going on, great great style in sneakers, or sort of
If I see someone in these, I just am going to think that they went to whatever store when they were shopping and got a new pair of Nikes to wear. And these are probably going to be a pair that these are just like their tennis shoe. You know what I'm saying? Like these are their sneakers. Like I don't, I'm trying not to be negative or like nasty about it because I think it's a great shoe. Don't get me wrong, but I don't think it's anything like crazy special. I just think it's like a good, solid shoe to have, to wear, to enjoy.
right.
And, like this is so much better than so many other options.
Yeah.
But yeah, like it's just an overall solid shoe to me. And I feel like that's how I feel about most red, black, and white combos. It's just like solid. Like
I understand, but the trophy room,
those are a totally different
those are
story.
basically the very, very similar sneaker, very similar
Not similar.
colorway.
Go look at our video and then comment down below if you think the trophy rooms in these are similar because they're not.
They're not similar. I might go grab one, and then we'll be able to see like on a 1-for-1.
They can go to the video.
So anyway, I think that these are just like an iconic sneaker.
They're great shoe. Don't get me wrong.
How about for a female? Would you, as a
would love
female?
them. I would wear them, you know, but like these wouldn't be my like.
No.
No, but I would wear them to do whatever, whenever, move, jump, run, skip, all the things.
But is it the colorway or is it the style or material? Because I know that you have the satin breads.
Mm-hmm.
You like those more than these? Mm-hmm. Like you. So what is it? Is it the material that you like about those more?
No.
Is it the colorway?
The colorway, just overall look. So we're satins, you know.
Yeah.
I love these. Don't get me wrong. I like these, but they're nothing like. Again, I'm not like I have to have them, you know.
Right. I understand.
You like them.
No, I have a pair of these. I think they're great. I think they're just like an old school.
Yes, you should have. If you can have them in your collection, you should. Why wouldn't you? Again, like they are a great shoe to wear with so many different things to so many different types of things, and I like them.
Yeah,
I like them.
I mean, I'm going to this year they're coming out also with a black toe OG high top, so I'm going to go for that too, but reimagined, so it'll be a new twist to it. Of course, I'm going to try to get retail for these. I'm not going to. I have so many red, black, and white, like you said, that I'm not going to pay over retail. So I'm going to hope for a got 'em, and I'm not going to go over the top because I, already have enough of this colorway.
Of course.
And so, and the color blocking.
Of course.
But
also like to the beginning of the video, how these are a gift. Great gift because you know the person is going to wear them because they're just a solid shoe.
Yeah, you can't go wrong.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with the classic pair of Air Jordans as a gift in the original colorway.
Because how are you not going to wear these? Everyone has something to go with these or somewhere to wear these to. So.
And who doesn't like, what's crazy? No one has ever brought this up, but just imagine the trajectory of shoes if Michael Jordan didn't go for or get drafted by the Chicago Bulls. Their colors were red, white, and black, which are amazing colors, which then the foundation for all these shoes. And it's a big part of like who we are, what we, how we identify with sneakers. Just 3 classic colors that go so well with one another. And then he becomes the GOAT. He is the GOAT, in my opinion. And so, and then you have this become the classic colorway of the shoe. So yeah, it's a great gift. I never thought about it that way, but yeah, who doesn't like red, black, and white?
Like, yeah, these are getting worn. And that's the thing also I will say about the shoe. Like, this is going to get worn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, anyway, this is gonna be a quick video for us. We'll catch you at the next. Any party shots or no? That's it. Because you're sort of I know you're a little indifferent on this one, so there's not. We don't have so much to talk about.
Yeah, I feel how I feel, and I like it. It's solid, and that's that.
All right, so we'll catch you at the next episode.
Great. Let's do a little compare now.
Do you want to go straight into it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can go straight into it. Let's keep rolling. Should I do 1 and 1? Like.
He snatched that out of my hand.
Ready to roll?
Ready.
Let's go. 1. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Miami. We are doing a shoe face-off, 1 versus 1. So on the left, we have the men's black toe OG Jordan low top. And on the right, we have the black toe satin women's, same colorway. And so we want to do a little comparison of which one we prefer. So let's have at it. What do you think? Which one would you go for? You go on the right, huh? I must admit,
you're going these 2?
I think this is situational.
Oh.
Okay. If I had to choose one pair over the other, right? one pair over the other. For sure, I'm going the high top if I only have one shoe.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we can get the tongue to stay in there. So if I have to go one shoe, I'm for sure going with this one. However, if I were only wearing the shoe with pants, I might go with the low top just because I think that it's easier to wear with pants in general. But what do you think in terms of the quality of the material? I think this one, even though they usually put better quality
I think this one's
materials,
a little nicer.
it's way better, right? I think
Yeah.
it's softer. I think the black is about similar, but I would have to say that the toe box and the quality of material on this one is better than this one.
Yeah, and I just want to make one little side comment, but the red really does pop for a lace. So I actually really like it. I know you were kind of like, I don't know about the red laces, but it looks really, really good.
No, I put the red laces in mine.
Okay, good.
On mine.
Good.
Now, what I just want to give people the back view so you see, like, this is sort of the traditional back. Also, this has the Wings logo on it. And so, this one is this red, I think, pops a little more also. This is a little bit more of a dull down red.
More muted, more matte.
So it's a little more conservative.
Yeah.
But I think there's also, the feel that liner versus that liner, this is way more padded and way lush. So way more lush. So a lot, I think, better quality.
Yeah.
So all things being equal, for sure, I think that I would choose to go with this one versus that one, unless I was only wearing with pants. And that would be the only way that I would give this one the edge.
Yeah, I think it depends on the mood. Both great shoes, solid shoes, like I've said before. And yeah, I'm going with the little satin vibe for sure. But I love both. I think both are a great shoe.
All right, so I guess this is crowned. Is this crowned the winner?
The winner.
That is the winner. All right.
Winner. Loser.
Winner in this battle, loser. Still a solid shoe.
Yes.
The other thing that someone could do is put red laces in this. I wonder.
Oh, I think that would look sick.
Red laces in that one.
Yeah.
So
we'll have to give it a go.
100%. Anyway, that will do it for this video, and we will catch you at the next one.